Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to create web forms and pop-ups to capture leads for free. First, log in and click Forms in the left menu. On the Forms page, click the blue Create Form button. A form builder opens. On the right, see a list of fields. Drag fields like email onto the blank form on the left. Click any field to edit its label. Now, make it a pop-up. Look at the form settings on the right, find the form type drop-down. Click it and change it to pop-up. Set when it appears, like after 5 seconds. To style your form, use the Design tab. Change colors, fonts, and button text to match your site. When ready, click Save and Publish at the top. A window pops up with your form's code. Copy the entire code snippet. Finally, add it to your website. Paste this code into the HTML of your site where you want the pop-up. And that's it. You've built a form, made it a pop-up, styled it, and got the code to start capturing leads. If this helped you capture more leads, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.